This is not an exercise video. I repeat, this is not an exercise video. Hey guys, good morning, or it's slightly afternoon, slightly after. It's a Sunday, so we're fresh out of church and just had a quick breakfast. And today we are taking pictures in the downtown area close to where my grandkids live. So we are going to be doing family pictures and stuff today. Now, while I can't show you the pictures with the kids and stuff in it, I can kind of give you a little bit of an overview of the town and stuff, and just kind of show you what the city looks like and how it's decorated for Christmas and blah blah blah. Okay, so you guys come along with us and we'll see what we can get into. Let's go. Choo choo. I don't know about you guys, but I am a sucker for an old building. I love architecture. It's a cute little town. I love old towns. Let's see. Let's see who we can find over there. Somebody just chilling out, waiting for me to take pictures. Of course, he's sitting in the shade, so he looks like he's hiding.
Oh, hey, babe. Hey, welcome to the Bradley journey. We're trying to get fit. And I'm 50.
Not today, we're not. Not today, we're not.
Okay, well, hey, welcome.
So the little town that we're in, they're gonna do some maintenance on this old building. It's beautiful. I would love to buy an old building like this and just live in it. It's gorgeous. They have a lot of events here. I hate that there's a fence here to kind of block our view. But there's lots of old buildings. Yeah.
Dallas Police Station right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
First National Bank.
There's like those big, gigantic Christmas bulbs over there.
Okay. Well, now my wife has let me hold on to the video and doing video shoots for the first time. Woohoo! Well, hey, as we're walking down here and as she's walking, there's a Dallas police station right here. So I get the front of it. And as we're walking, I mean, I just, it's very interesting, you know. That's scary. It's up to no good.
He's waiting for Christmas. He needs a hat. He needs a Santa hat. How do you like their painting?
Thank you. This is a little further down the street. And this is another part of the park. They have all kinds of historical stuff up here. And this nice gazebo. We're gonna do a family picture here in a little bit. So, and then you see that little Santa thing? That's where you put mail for Santa. There's Ken. Ken! There he is! Roar.